Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with the awardee children at his residence in New Delhi at 4 p.m. today. President of Egypt Abdel Fattah el-Sisi will arrive in New Delhi today on a 3-day visit to India. President Sisi will be the chief guest on India's 74th Republic Day. India Meteorological Department has forecast light to moderate snowfall in Himachal Pradesh during the next 5 days. Eastern Nagaland Legislators Union, a forum of legislators from the state's eastern districts, has decided to participate in the forthcoming Nagaland Assembly polls. New Zealand won the toss and elected to bowl against India in the third and final ODI at Holkar Cricket Stadium in Indore.